The power of starting over. Every step outside these gates is a step towards freedom and healing. But let's be real, the world out here can be overwhelming. You're not alone in feeling that way. Mental health struggles don't define you, they're a part of your story. Let's rewrite that story together. Whether it's through counseling, a support group, or just talking to someone who gets it, your mental health matters. One step at a time, you're rebuilding a future that's yours to own. Your mind is your freedom. Seek help, and keep going.